Guys, so in this video, I'm going to give you some tips or a tip on how you can improve your win rate with ABC trading strategy. Okay, so let's assume that you have a POI, right? It could be an auto block or a fair value gap on a higher time frame, and you can also take this into consideration that you had a lower low, lower high, and then you had a market structure break or break of structure, right? So usually when you are trading smart money or auto flow trading strategy, you would take your entry from this level. However, if you want to increase your ABC strategy win rate, what you can do is look for an ABC pattern near your POI, and the C leg goes into your POI like this. So we have an A, B, C, and the C leg goes into your POI. Now that is going to increase your win rate tremendously. Okay, not tremendously, but it's gonna give like a 5% or 10% increase to your win rate. So you are going to then follow the rules again, right? As I have taught the ABC strategy, you then wait for a market structure shift with displacement, with volume, and then you take your entry from the extreme fair value gap and kaboom. So this is something that you can take into consideration. All right, what you want to do is you want to identify a POI. It could be an auto block, it could be a fair value gap, a high time frame, right? And then you wait for price to give you an ABC pattern near your POI, and the C leg goes into the POI, right? And when it does, then you can look for a market structure shift within the range, which is here, right? So if the price breaks a structure somewhere around here, you look for your entry and boom. Trust me, it's going to increase your win rate by 10 to even 15%. So yeah, I hope you like this tip, and let's move on to the next video.